Good morning, Ranjana, and I welcome you our online show. Let's talk in English with non-native English speakers.
Good morning, sir.
Ranjana,
So first off, sir, very thank you to you that you invite me for one-to-one conversation because it's also helpful for my interview. So, sir, very thank you.
okay, here is the problem. So let me arrange. Yeah, it's okay.
So,
Now can
can
you?
you hear me?
Yeah, it's okay. Perfect.
Oh,
Actually, I forgot to plug in my speaker. That's why.
oh my God, it's okay.
Okay. So first of all, I want to ask you something about our online show. How do you find
Yes,
our
sir.
online show? Let's talk in English with non-native English speakers.
So, sir, one day I was watching YouTube. I was watching YouTube. Then I find that you talk with Cambly, and I and after that I again was that you was with some people. So that you are non-native speaker till you are um, going doing good job. So I was thinking I send you mail and said, sir, I also wanted to join. That's so. And you said that you send your email and then I will send you that
Okay.
email and ID.
So again, I want to repeat that question. You have answered perfectly, but how to answer this type of question? How do you find means आपको कैसा लगा? How do you find our online show? Can you give me some reason,
Okay,
your opinions about that?
okay. Yes, sir. So yeah, that's a great. It's a very productive session, and sir, it's also helpful for my fluent English because earlier I am not good in fluent in English, but now I can say that until I join your session, I I improve my English more.
Okay, that's good.
So sir, it's a very productive.
So these are your opinion for our online show.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ranjana, do you have any suggestions to improve our online show?
So, sir, I had one suggestion, but you did, and that one-to-one conversation. I'm thinking because in that session there is many people. We are not talk with
Sufficient time.
talk more. Yeah, sufficient time we can say.
Okay.
So, sir, you did that. So I have not any suggestion.
Okay, that's good. That's good. So let's talk about your hometown now. So can you tell me
Okay.
about your hometown?
Yes, sir. So, my hometown is in Ambedkar Nagar. So, Ambedkar Nagar, I want to tell about Ambedkar Nagar something. So, Ambedkar Nagar district is a district in Ayodhya division, Uttar Pradesh. This district was created on 29 September 1995 and was named as memory of Bhimrao Ambedkar. And if I talk about famous thing, our Ambedkar Nagar, so it is also known for its textile industry, power plant, and sugar plant. And Lord Sri Ramchandji. So there is a very near to Ayodhya. So Ayodhya is the birthplace of Sri Ramchandji, and there is also one industry that name is NTPC in Tanda. It is also famous, and I did my high school from there. So that's why, yeah, it's my favorite place.
Okay, how far is Chapaya from your place?
Chapaya?
You don't know about
I
Chapaya?
don't.
Okay,
No, sir, I don't.
ask your father. Okay, so Lord Swami Narayan was also born in Ayodhya, near Ayodhya in Chapaya. Okay,
Yes.
then he moved to Gujarat.
No, sir. Then I moved in Lucknow.
No. I'm talking
Okay,
about
okay, okay,
Swami Narayan.
okay, okay, okay. I get. Okay, okay.
Okay. Okay, so you have explained nicely about your hometown, and now I want to ask you something about your school memory. Can you remember any memorable
Okay.
incident about your school? You will never forget that in
Mhm.
your life.
Yes, I have a lot of memory with my friend. Like when we are my three friends, we are three friends. They are best friends. We are best friends. So when we are going, we were going to school with bicycle. So we stay at sometimes we stay at side of road, and we doing some gaps. One day what happened, one peacock is was dancing. Then with all think that yeah, and how to say more punks, how,
Feathers,
how to say
feathers.
feather, yeah. Yeah, we are we were running behind.
You were running after peacock.
Yeah, for getting that
Okay,
that
to get the feathers of
okay.
peacock.
Yeah, yeah. So it was also my best memory, and we were participating in drama with together. So it was also, and yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. That's good. And thank you very much for sharing your memorable day with us. Okay, next is why you want to improve your English and what do you do for that?
Oh, that's a good. So I want to improve my English. As I told you, I am BTech student. So and I was living in village. So I am not getting that environment for improve my English. So um, when I took admission in BTech, so I saw all students speaking in English, and they are very fluent in English, but I am not able to speak English. And it's also requirement of interview that because I'm third year. I'm in third year. After 1 year, um, interviewer come and take interview in English, and GD will also held in English. So yes, sir. That's why I am improving my English.
Okay,
And
then
I
yeah, what do
after
you do to
and second
improve your
question,
English now?
yeah. So I want to visit whole country, and so I think English is a common language for all country. So that's why, sir, I want to.
Okay, and what do you do to improve your English?
So, sir, mm,
How do you
like
prepare yourself to learn English?
okay. So
What are your
I'm
efforts to learn
practicing.
English? Yes. What
Yeah,
are your
I'm
efforts?
practice. So I'm practicing at home with my sister, because my younger sister is CBSE board student, and she is very and well in English. So I am also practicing with her, and I also joined your session for improving my English. Yes, sir. And I watched some video. Um,
So you want to
yes,
say your sister, younger sister, is good at English,
yes, sir.
and you try to practice your English with your sister also to improve your English. That's good. That sounds
Yes,
good,
sir.
and that's wonderful. I appreciate your this all type of efforts. And if you keep practicing,
Thank you.
definitely you will make progress in English language, and you will get fluency of English, and you will make a
Yes, sir.
speech in front of the thousands of people in English. Okay.
Yes. Because sir, earlier I am not practicing, so I didn't know about how to speak. Before 1 month, I mean, when you start your session, till I am practicing, and now I can speak. Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, so you have to pass a long journey, and still I'm also learning English. I'm practicing my English. You know that I have
Oh,
never told anybody
yeah,
I'm teaching English here. Yes or no? So we all are sailing on the same boat, and we all are practicing to improve our English because we all have same goal.
Yes, sir.
We all are suffering from the same problem. That's why we are
Mm-hmm.
practicing our English together. Every day at
Yes,
9
sir.
o'clock, some different speakers come from the different states of our country, and they try to share their ideas, their opinions. And by using that technique, we try to improve our English. So that's a wonderful thing. And you are a daily speaker who comes on our
Yes, sir.
online show. So what's your future plan?
Okay, yes, that's good. So first I want to, sir, stand my feet because I don't want to take money from my parents. So after that, when I will stand my feet, so I want to do first something needy. Mm, because I can say that poor person I want to help, and I also want to open orphanage. Are you getting my point?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Carry
And
on.
okay, okay, sir. So and I also want to open one business, my own business. Yes, that's
So
my
you
future
want to
plan.
be a self-made person. You don't want
Yes,
to be a
sir.
dependent person on other. You want to be
Yes, sir.
an independent, and you want to be a self-made person. That's good.
Yes,
Okay, so now this is your turn to ask me some question. If you have any doubt, any questions, and you can ask me now.
yes, sir. I have a lot of questions, but I prepared four questions. So my first question is that, sir, can you tell me something about you have learned from your life?
Okay, that's a nice question, and actually, that's a life lesson for me. Uh, when I was 20 years old, that time I thought that, or I used to think that people would help us, or people would help me. But when I left my village, I went to Ahmedabad, a bigger city. I realized nobody can help you, only you can help yourself.
Yes,
So that's a life lesson, and just don't expect from other people. Be ready to work for
yes,
yourself and spend your time to make yourself better and
yes.
utilize your time. That's a life lesson for me.
Okay, sir. Mm. My second question is that, sir, according to you, what is the most difficult thing for you?
Okay. Personally, I think that nothing is impossible and nothing is difficult. If you try, you can do it. Okay,
Yes, sir.
but maths is the most difficult thing for me.
But sir, if you have belief, then you can do anything.
Yeah, definitely, definitely.
Yes, sir. So, yes, good, sir. And sir, my third question is that, can you tell me something managing time when you have so much work to do? Because I want to ask for me because if I have a lot of work, so
So, which is
how
your
can I manage?
priority work? Which is the most important and urgent work? So
Yes.
do that work first. Then, second priority list, the less important work. So do
Okay.
one by one work. Don't try to do all works together. So first pick up or select proper work which is the most essential for you, which is urgent work for you. Then complete and finish that work first.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. And sir, can I ask two questions more?
Yeah, you have 2 minutes more now.
Okay, sir. So how to overcome your distraction?
It's very difficult. All people are distracted by so many things. Some people are distracted by electronic gadgets. Some people are distracted by some addiction.
Yes.
So it depends on you. Actually, you have to meditate. You have to focus on your goal first. So if you have a crystal clear focus, then you can control yourself from the distraction. Otherwise, it is too difficult to control yourself from the other type of distractions.
Yes, sir. Sir, my last question is that
Yeah.
if you want to give any suggestion related to your life mm, to me, so what can?
So one thing I want to say, I have already told you, don't expect from others. Somebody will help you, and respect the
Yes.
time. Then time will respect you. So people say that I want to pass time, but how can we pass our time? We have a limited time on the earth. One day we were born
Yes.
here, we are living our life, and we don't know the last date. Actually, we also don't know how much time we have.
Yes, sir.
So use your time and do good work for your future, because one day when you leave your earth, God will ask you, what have you done on the earth? I sent you on the earth.
Mhm.
So how can you do
Yes.
by using your time? So respect your time, and time will respect you. So
Yes.
it was a really a nice conversation with you,
Sir, yeah, from me also.
and
Sir, I want to talk with more, but yeah, due to time limit, I can't. It's okay, sir. But really nice to talk you.
okay, see you soon at 9 o'clock. Okay, again on our
Yes.
online. So let's talk in English with non-native English speakers. So till now, bye
Thank you,
bye and
sir.
have a nice day. Okay, have a
Bye,
nice day
sir.
now.
Thank you, sir.